Hi everyone and welcome to week 5. This week we have 3 assignments that we're doing. The first is a quiz, and the quiz is going to focus on the problem-solving methods that we've been learning about. And just like in week 2, when there was a study guide in Doc Sharing, there's a study guide for the week 5 quiz as well. If you study up on the information on the study guide and take a look at the reading this week, then you'll be fine on the quiz. The other 2 assignments revolve around the team projects that we're going to be doing. The first is the discussion, and we're going to have 2 different discussions just like we do every week. And this week will be very similar to last week, where we have the class discussion thread and then we also have the team discussion thread. Just like last week, it has the same criteria. We have the same requirements 3 times a week on different days, first one by Wednesday, and that's for both the class discussion as well as the team discussion. And the final part of our week, the final assignment that we're doing, is the team project. Now, last week we worked on the team charter. We got to know each other, learned our strengths, weaknesses, and how we're going to work together as a group. And this week we're going to put that to use. We're starting out on a 2-week project. We're going to do the first half this week, second half next week. And this week, we're going to start laying the groundwork. What we're going to do is we've got this case study, and you work for a company that's been hired by State University to help build a model budget for students who haven't quite figured out their finances yet. Okay, so you're a consulting team that's coming in, and for the university, you're going to put together a budget to help students learn how to manage their finances, first time out on college and learning how to make it all work. So this week, you're going to do something called a wants needs analysis chart. You can find the template for this in Doc Sharing, and what you'll do is you'll see when you open up the template that we've got 2 needs at the top, things that you can't live without, which would be rent, you need shelter, and then you need money to pay student loans. You have to pay your student loans. All right, now those are fixed needs and can't do anything about them, and they have a set amount of money that you have to pay every month. So I don't want you to worry about the needs at the top at all. Just pretend that they're not there right now. What you're going to do is you're going to look down below, and there are going to be 10 wants. And what your job this week is going to be to do is to rank them from 1 to 10, with 10 being the most important. Okay, and then you're also going to provide reasons why you ranked them the way that you did. Okay, now you don't have to come up with dollar amounts yet. We're not worrying about the budget part yet. We're just ranking them. We're deciding what is more important than something else. Do you think car insurance is more important than going out to eat with friends? Do you think that groceries is more important than laundry? So you decide. Every single element in the list has to have its own number ranking. So you can't have 2 number 5s and 3 number 7s. Everyone has to have its own number, 1 through 10, and everyone has to have a reason for its rankings. You'll see that it's a spreadsheet, and so if you say, gosh, I can't get my reasons in there just the way it's set up right now, that's okay. You can reformat the spreadsheet a little bit, make some cells bigger, condense some cells, do whatever it is, make it pretty, make it however you want it to look, okay? Once you have your particular wants, needs chart done, your list of your 10 rankings and your reasons, everybody else in your team is going to have theirs. You're going to take it and compile it all into one chart, and that's what you will turn in to me in the Dropbox. Everybody will turn in a copy of the chart to the Dropbox for credit, and everyone will have a chart that has the entire team's rankings on it. So everyone will have a column. I will have a column, another teammate will have a column, another teammate will have a column. You will all have your own columns, and they'll all be the same. Okay, so that is it. That is what we're doing this week. We've got the quiz, the 2 discussion threads, one with the class, one with the team, and then the team project, which is the wants needs analysis, where you're ranking the 10 wants from 1 to 10, 10 being the most important, and also giving the reasons for those rankings. Nothing to do with budget this week. Everyone turn that in, turn in a cover sheet, which would be great, gives me a little insight to how you think the week went, and you'll be all set. This is going to be another great week. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you in the discussion. Have a great day. Bye.